probably flushing hundreds of dollars down the drain every single month on a phone system that does way more than you actually need. Most of these big tech companies want to charge you $30 a head just to answer a basic phone call. I spent the last week digging into a service called Talkroute because their name keeps popping up on every single top 10 list lately. I wanted to see if the hype was real or if it was just clever marketing. Let me tell you right now that the numbers on this thing are actually wild. If you have a team of 10 people, you are looking at about $60 total for their pro plan. That breaks down to $6 per person. Most of the competitors out there are going to hit you for $15 or $35 for that exact same seat. For a small business owner, that is not just a little bit of savings. That is the difference between being profitable and barely breaking even. They even throw on video meetings for up to 100 people, which is usually a paid add-on or a separate subscription entirely. But we have to talk about how they actually handle the calls because it is different from the usual internet-based setups. They use traditional phone lines behind the scenes. This is a brilliant move because your call quality stays crystal clear even when your office internet decides to take a nap. It feels like a standard cell call because it basically is one. However, this is where the honeymoon period ends for a lot of people. If your business involves talking to anyone outside of the United States or Canada, you should stop listening right now. There is zero international calling, not even if you want to pay extra for it. It simply does not exist on this platform. That is a massive deal breaker for anyone trying to go global. Then you have the issue of call recording. You can only get it if you pay for the most expensive tier. You cannot just add it on to a cheaper plan. Then there is the integration problem. It only talks to other apps through a middleman service, and that data only flows one way. If you want your phone system to automatically update your customer database with notes and call logs, you are going to be very disappointed. You will be stuck doing manual data entry like it is the 1990s. This system is a stepping stone. It is built for the small team of maybe 5 or 10 people who just need a professional voice on the other end of the line. It is for the crew that does not need a complex tech stack or artificial intelligence tools reading their transcripts. It is a simple tool for a specific phase of your business growth. If you are in that sweet spot where you just need a dial tone and a low bill, it is incredibly hard to beat this value. But the moment you start hiring overseas or needing your software to talk to each other, you will outgrow this in less than a year. You have to know exactly which bucket you fall into before you sign that contract. It is always better to understand the limits now than to be forced into a messy migration 18 months down the road. Use the right tool for the job you have today, but keep your eyes on where you are headed tomorrow. Marketing always makes everything look like a perfect fit. The truth is usually a lot more complicated than the sales page suggests. If you need the bells and whistles of a massive corporation, look elsewhere. If you want to keep your overhead low and your calls clear, this might be the win you have been looking for. It is all about the math at the end of the day. Stay smart with your budget, and don't pay for features you will never use.